This is an Ariston Hotpoint washing machine that is not extracting all of the water when washing. So I'm going to take a look now at the filter to see if it's clogged, and this video will show you how to do this. So I believe the filter should be down there. I'm going to open it up now and let's see if we can clean it. So I'm just prying down, and you can see all of the plastic pieces that hold on to the machine. So I believe the filter should be there. Now I have unplugged the machine just to be sure. Okay, so I need the rag because water is going to come out. Yep, a lot of stuff inside. So let me just mop up all the water from the floor. So looking inside, I just cleared out all of the clothes fibers and other things, and I'm going to do the same, clean up the head of the filter there and then put it back. If the problem persists, then it will have to do with something. It will have something to do with the water pump extractor. I hope this quick solution works. So I've cleared out this filter cover, and it was fully gonged up, filled up with fibers and toothpicks and other things that probably were left in the pockets of the clothes washing. So just not too gross, to show you guys something gross, I washed it and it's clean now. So this is what you do. You make sure that there is free flow for the water to pass through. And now we can simply screw this back into the washing machine, and that should be the problem because this was very much blocked. And I'm sure the water had a hard time passing through. Okay, not too tight. That should do. Now I'm going to put back the cover. First, insert into the base. And that's it. Done. So I'm going to update the video with some description right now on the screen if this was what solved the problem. I hope this video helps. Take care.